Receiving care within the comfort of your own home. A business that is breaking barriers is the focus of this week's edition of the Business Review. Here's Cody and Barrett.
Receiving care from a personal nurse at home surrounded by their family and friends with no visitation limitations is a commitment of Break Barriers. But the business has evolved over the past 20 years. CEO Andreen Lewis Longway was introduced to the idea after migrating to England. She was working with a disabled woman who dreamed of traveling to Jamaica.
The young lady said to me, I'd give anything to go to Jamaica. Now, if you know Andrina, you throw her a challenge, she'll take it. And that's what I did. I took her to the island. She had a fantastic time. And I said, you know what? I could do this for a business, which is traveling the world with disabled people and giving them care.
And that became the focus of her business venture.
I was told the concept would never work. I was told the concept of taking disabled people on vacation would never work. As a result, I have broken those barriers. Hence the name. Give me a barrier, I will find a way. I do not see problem, I seek for solution.
Despite those comments, with just 2 employees in 2008, Break Barriers was registered in the UK in home care. She sold her car and used the money to invest in the business. Now, the company has close to 100 employees. In 2020, when the pandemic was crippling businesses, Break Barriers made its way to Jamaica with the aim of providing jobs.
People say, well, no work, no day here. I think work is here. I think people are not willing to do what is available. So I took this on the island of Jamaica to afford my family work. The other aspect was that when you're abroad, everybody think you're making money. So everybody want. But the reality is we don't always have it to give. But if I can teach my family to fish, as opposed to giving them a fish every day, that was one of the motto.
But with Jamaicans focused on informal care, it took some convincing.
We are used to looking after our own, so people still do informal care. And also, people are so used to the nursing homes that are on the island. People are still not used to the concept of home care. And then you have we're very skeptical of people coming in our homes, isn't it? And so I am having to prove myself that we are trustworthy and we can deliver what we say we are going to deliver.
And the business is still in its investment stages, yet to make any profits. While travel care is a popular service in the UK, home care is a first choice locally, and it envisions saturating homes across the island before venturing to other Caribbean islands. With the Business Review, I'm Cody Ann Barrett.